Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with maybe my #1 most requested video, which is actually more Stoney Clover. And it's a good day for more Stoney Clover. Literally seconds ago, like we're doing it live. These, oh my gosh. These were dropped on my porch. You can see they're nice and dirty. Thank you for that. UPS arrived on my porch. This is my Camp Stoney Clover Lane and one other drop order. And so I wanted to unbox it with you, talk through my choices. Sorry, something in my eye, probably from that box. And yeah, just share it with you because apparently everyone is obsessed with this brand as I am. So let's start with, and if you just heard that weird noise, that was my robotic vacuum Eufy probably getting caught on the little tile area in front of the washer dryer. Love that for me. I'm always in a fight with the robot vacuum. Okay, so to start, let's do the big boy first. Oh my gosh. And then, sorry, just get this giant box out of the way. Oh, hi. I have no words. I'm gonna try and edit this together so that you guys. All right, the Happy Camper collection. I'm just so unique. All right, there's a receipt. I'm not gonna share that. Okay, in here, there's some really cute stuff. There's this page of stickers. Oh my gosh. So cute. Kendall and Libby are just the cutest. And the postcard, they always do postcards, but this time it's like camp paper. And it's like a little letter and you could like seal it with a sticker. You guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this stuff, but I always keep it because I love it. It's part of my love for the brand. I'm still not over that. Okay, I'm gonna try and proceed as if I'm like not the person I am. Okay, so we could do this for the cover. Oh, I have it together. Obviously not. Okay, and this is gonna be loud, so let me just really quickly get the cellophane out of here. All right, the first item, oh my God, it's so good. All right, the first item, I have a million of these. This is a denim scrunchie. I mean, I don't have a million denim scrunchies, but I have a million scrunchies. Love a Stoney Clover scrunchie moment. I love having them to match whatever it is that I've selected. And so from this drop, I got the fanny pack with my initials. Oh my gosh. This is like so Dollywood. I don't know. I just think like denim and diamonds as like such a Dolly, kind of like Nashville. Oh wow, the strap is really long. Okay, wait, I need to shorten it some. So this is the normal size fanny pack. For this collection, they also did a jumbo fanny, which I got the jumbo fanny in the Sherpa collection with the little fur here, and it didn't end up working out for me. Zoe Docus, who's my friend on Instagram, who should be on YouTube, she was telling me that it's like the thing with the jumbo fanny is like you don't wear it here like you do with a fanny pack. You kind of wear it more lower like a satchel. But this is so cute. The interior, yes, the interior is like this wipeable nylon. This is really nice. I was worried with the denim that it was like gonna be, sometimes like the thing that I love about the nylon fanny packs is that they are very lightweight and like well, heavy wearing, strong wearing. What am I trying to say? Hard wearing. Oh my God. It's just one of those days. But this does not feel heavy. This feels very light too. The part that feels heavy obviously is like this clasp, but we love that. Okay, so this is the fanny pack scrunchie. And then finally, and this is the first time I've gotten an item like this. The last item I chose was the tote. And this is my first full-size Stoney Clover tote. It's huge. This is like definitely never full GN vibes. And I got my name on it, my name in lights, my name in rhinestone. Love the hardware. And then this also has that nice wipeable lining and a cute little interior pocket and a little crossbody. We love crossbody. Still, I'll just like never be over that. I hope I can edit it together. I mean, I can't. I'll take the time. Okay. I'm trying to put the strap on, but the plastic's still on. Peel it off. Ooh. Ooh, that's a nice peel. I love peeling the plastic off. I love it, but like with the Chanel, I will wait until the absolute last moment. But when it's like this, like you have to do it. ASMR. Oh, this one had plastic on it too. So satisfying. Okay. And so that is the tote, and I'm not gonna try it and stand up and try it on because I don't need a part 2, okay? Just trust. I'm really excited for this. The uses for this, so I went to the spa the other day for the first time in, I swear, like 2 years, to get a massage, which I was like, I need to just be doing this on a regular basis. But I brought my Neverfull, and then I needed to cram it into the spa locker, and it was like, I did not like folding the canvas, and so a bag like this would have been perfect because it's like more slouchy and you can kind of like shove it into the spa closet, plus it fits like a change of clothes and shoes and all that stuff. So that is the Happy Camper collection that I picked up. All these little bits and bobs in there. Then in box number 2, which is smaller, thank goodness. Hi there. Let's see if there's a sticker. My last little order like this, I have a sticker, unfortunately. Okay, so we have the regular Stoney Clover Lane postcard and sticker. This is actually one of my favorites. It's very cute. In here, oh, you can see. I'm excited. Okay. Put that down. So item number 1 is the long-awaited Mickey and Friends sweatshirt. I got a sweatshirt from Stoney Clover when I went to the Nashville store, and it's honestly one of my favorites. So I was really excited that this was coming out. I'm big into neutrals, and now I have to go back to Disneyland. Definitely Disneyland, because Disney World, I could not wear a sweatshirt. This is the pattern. It says Disney Stoney Clover Lane, and I got the extra large, which is like, wow, that's like nice and oversized. So that's the first thing. And then the other thing I got, I thought this was so cute. Oh, and I wanted to put it actually on this, in this pouch, the little bow bag charm. I love the Stoney Clover bag charms, especially the ones they did where you could like customize your name or a word on them. But I just thought, like, how cute is this? And you can see the glitter, and then on this side it just says Stoney Clover Disney, and there's also the glitter and my little ring light. You just, oh, I don't know if I can do this without taking the tag off, maybe. Oh yeah, perfect. How cute, how perfect. I'll pretend like everything's normal. So that is my little Stoney Clover haul from the last few days. It took a long time to arrive. It shipped like right away. Immediately it shipped. No problems there. Then they handed it over to USPS, and bless their hearts, I don't know if UPS, it doesn't matter, same. Neither of them, I don't know if they have figured out a direct route to my home. But these items did get to stop in every major city in the United States between California and New York. So they're more well-traveled than the average American. And we love that for them. So it did take a long time for them to show up, not because it took a long time for like the customization with Stoney Clover. It was just UPS, you know, she had other priorities than me. So there's that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it if you want more Stoney Clover videos, because I heard you, I saw the comments, I'm doing it, we're talking Stoney. You know, the new Chanel collection came out today. I'm gonna shop it tomorrow, so we can talk about that at a later date, but here you guys, I'm here for it. I love it. It's one of my favorite brands. So thank you so much for joining me. Anyway, let me know what your favorite item was down below, what you got from the Happy Camper collection, and I will talk to you guys later once I've recovered from my little incident. All right. Have a great day, you guys. Okay, bye.